We made it to the city.
Cheers. I want more big.
Going. Hey, good morning. We are doing a little road trip, me and my honey. I'm so happy that he drives now because now we can split up trips like this. So it's been amazing. We're heading to New York City. We're gonna spend the day, me and Aunt, in the city. And then my best friends are joining us tomorrow for a farm day upstate. So we're gonna drive from the city to a farm upstate. We're still deciding on what farm. I'm gonna bring you guys with us, obviously. And I'm so excited, I can't wait. It's supposed to be a fall weekend, but the only thing that sucks is it's kind of gonna be warm this weekend. I think it's gonna be like in the 70s, which I do not like. I wish it was like nice and crispy, but beggars cannot be choosers. I think either way, we're still gonna enjoy farm day. I think 2 years ago when we did this, when we lived in New York and we did a farm day from New York, it was like, it started off in like the 50s and then it ended up in like the 70s. So we're not new to this happening to us. I'm kind of rambling, huh? Anyways, I just did my makeup in the car. It was so hard. And when we stopped to switch, because I'm gonna drive us into the city, I'm gonna finish my brows. They look a little wonky because someone's going a little sharp on the curves. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get into the city. I can't wait to hang out and do city things. Picked up my covers, Billie Eilish and ASAP, the one that Rihanna either shot or styled, I forget which one, what she contributed to that. But we've been walking around, we're in Union Square right now, and we are gonna go sit by a bench for a little bit. It's been quite the day. We just won the game. Where are we going?
Going to the World Series, baby.
Good morning. It's farm day. We're in the city right now. Last night the Yankees won. That was so exciting. And this morning we are heading to upstate New York. We're in the city right now. We're gonna grab bagels from my favorite spot ever. I'm with my besties. I'm so excited. And then we are going to Beacon, gonna walk around a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the farm. And I'm so excited. Farm day, except for it's gonna be a little warm like I mentioned yesterday. But I'm so excited. This day is the best. I love the fall and like all the activities and stuff, so it's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. Let's go. We had a flight of ciders. This is Alexandra's.
Guys, there was 5 of them in the one
Alexandra's first farm day.
Can you tell?
Oh. We got some cider donuts.
He also had a flight.
Yeah.
No wonder why my phone was trying to find Wi-Fi.
Second flight.
Yeah.
That's how you mentioned.
No peer pressure.
You guys, am I recording? Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here. And we're a little sleepy. And we didn't pick any apples.
I was not gonna.
We also didn't do hay rides. We didn't do any farm activities except for eating and drinking. But we did get views and fun and vibes.
We did. We got the beautiful views, nice. We're not even on.
Sorry. Go ahead.
And in good company, that's the most important part.
Where is she? Go Yanks.
Go. Action.
1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Yep. I got it. I locked it. Oh my. Bye guys. Farm Day 2024.
Oh!
Go. I'm not a horse.
No, these
Actually.
fucking little hills.
Do you actually want
She
to
said go. It's a few days later. I'm not sure if I even closed out. Sorry, I'm just getting pretty for you guys. It's a few days later. I'm really not sure if I closed out the other vlog, so if I did, then I just have this extra footage for no reason, and if I didn't, then perfect. We were not able to so after the farm, we went back to the city, and then we picked up our car and we drove back home to Massachusetts. We were not able to go apple picking. I'm so upset. It was my friend's first time going to a farm. She lives in Manhattan, so it makes sense. And me and my other friend, we lived in New England growing up. And so this was her first time. We were trying to go apple picking and do the works, like give her a full farm adventure. And I think it was TikTok or something, but this farm blew up like blew up. We went 2 years ago and it was amazing. It was like the best farm day ever. Everything was so easy. This time around, lines everywhere for the donuts, for the shop, for the everything was a line. Oh my goodness. The bar was the longest line ever. It was so insane. I still had an amazing time. But by the last drink, our last flight, after we had lunch, we're like, okay, let's go try and get some apples picked. We went, they're like, oh, reservation only, do you have a reservation? I'm like, no. They're like, well, if you don't have a reservation, there's also no reservations available for the rest of the day. I'm like, are you joking? Like, we came all the way here for apple picking. So, all that to say, New York, I'm sorry, but this whole reservation crap, not cute. But we did go like peak. It was like, it was a perfect weekend in October. It was super warm. It's New York. It's like close to New York. You can get there from Grand Central Station. So, whew, scared me. Yeah, we weren't able to go apple picking. But anyways, I wanted to close this vlog out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it's somewhat enjoyable, even without us picking apples. Okay, bye.
How do I know if it's recording?
Yeah, it's already recording.
Oh, okay.
1, ready, go. 2, 3.
Wait, because I also pressed the button. You're gonna face me? I think I need to be in the front.
Sorry.
Wait, I want a better background. Can you guys go this way? Me.
She's gonna make me fall.
I'm the director.